Carpet bowling. So Wilson has got 5 of his favourite balls, and he's taken some of his sisters as well. Okay, and what we've done is gone into the cupboard and we found some bottles, but you can use anything, toilet rolls, recycling, anything really. And we've made a bit of a Christmas tree. And the idea is Wilson is going to roll the balls to see how many he can knock over. When you're ready, Wills, off you go. Oh, he didn't knock any over then. Oh, you had one then. Well done. Okay, well done. That was a good one. Tennis ball. Okay. Oh, and that wasn't a great one. Oh, he wants another go with that one. Let's roll it properly then. Push the ball, roll it. Well done. Okay, we can introduce some simple maths for the parents that are struggling with their children to get them to do some counting. Wilson, do you want to come and count the bottles for us? How many have you knocked over?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you've knocked over. Okay.